Welcome back to Reborn FJ. Today, we're diving deeper into one of our flagship replications, the classic Toyota Land Cruiser FJ43 Cab. It's fascinating how the Land Cruiser's legacy is partly rooted in early military needs, demanding robust, go-anywhere vehicles. This heritage led Toyota to create various configurations within the FJ40 family. Different dimensions, like those of the FJ43, were engineered to fulfill specific roles and tasks effectively. Lined up with the FJ40 and FJ45, the FJ43 Cab's distinct medium wheelbase is evident. This highlights its unique length within the FJ series. Interestingly, while wheelbases varied, FJ engine bays were largely consistent. The FJ43 specifically, depending on its production year, featured either Toyota's venerable F or the updated to F inline 6. Both are iconic for their robust reliability and strong low-end torque, essential for conquering tough terrain. Looking at the side profile reveals the FJ43's distinction from the FJ40. Its cab extends significantly longer, roughly 36 centimeters or 14 inches, providing vital extra space. Stepping inside, that additional length translates directly into more usable interior space, particularly noticeable here in the cargo or rear passenger area. This added room greatly enhances the FJ43's versatility, making it ideal for carrying more people or equipment comfortably. And taking a final look from the rear gives you a great perspective on the overall interior volume and layout. You can really appreciate the craftsmanship and attention to detail that goes into every Reborn FJ replication. The Reborn FJ, precision built for your legendary Land Cruiser. Thanks for watching.